This short demonstration shows the installation guide for a slider kit in a Ford Transit Connect. Installation consists of fitting a pre-made slider board assembly, and all you need to fit are 18 small screws which are supplied with the kit and a Phillips screwdriver. If you have access to a codeless power tool, then an electric screwdriver with posi drive will make the installation much easier. Installation is quite simple. Firstly, lay the board in the back of the van so that the rail is overhanging onto the rear as so. With the door closed, firstly check to ensure that the end of the rail is approximately 10mm from the back of the door. Also, when putting in the back of the van, ensure that the screw holes line up as such with the centre of the actual ribs below, like so, on the pre-drilled holes. And now at the bulkhead of the vehicle, do the same thing. Just check to ensure that the pre-drilled screw holes line up with the ribs on the floor of the van that you're going to secure the board to. To double check the installation, we always suggest installing one screw at the front and one screw at the rear, and then rechecking the installation before fitting the remaining screws. Careful when fitting screws not to over tighten. Note, once the installation is complete, there are several remaining holes on the front. It is not necessary to put screws in these holes. This part of the rail is only used for loading and unloading the vehicle. Providing the other screws are fitted, then it's secure during transit. Finally, install the slider and test fit to make sure that it runs okay and that there's a small gap down this side of where the runner is, and then we're okay to test with goods.